Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve nuclear and particle physics paper DAC paper 1 of 6th semester under Dibrugarh University Physics 2023. Okay, so before we start, please do subscribe the channel, hit that thumbs up button, also share with your friends, inspire me to create new contents for you and help me to grow my channel. And if you want to follow me on Insta, this is my Insta ID OJHALAKHYAJIT123. This is my Insta ID. So now let's start. So here is the first question. Choose the correct option from the following. So with increase in mass number, the neutron to proton ratio that increases. So first one is the correct option, increases. So let's move on to the next question. B, neutrons have a value of dipole magnetic moment. So it's supposed to be it should be negative. Okay, it should be negative. Okay. For neutron, the magnetic dipole moment is negative. Okay, and in alpha decay, this is the reaction to represent alpha decay. So here we're gonna have a daughter nuclei A minus 4, Z minus 2, and plus here we're gonna get alpha particle. This is the alpha particle, right? So this is nothing but alpha particle. Now you see, in this case, this A is decreased by 4 and Z is decreased by 2. So which one is correct? So option 2 is correct. Number of A decreases by 4 and Z decreases by 2, right? So now let's move on to the next question. Here is the D. Electron is generation particle. So that should be first generation particle. Okay, that should be first generation particle. And next question is isospin is to be conserved in that should be option 2, strong interaction only. So these are the MCQs. Now let's move on to the question number 2. So what is the nuclear quadrupole? So this is the answer to that question. Only 1 mark is given, so just you have to write this only for 1 mark. That's enough. Okay, so now you see, write down the relation between mass number and radius of nucleus and describe a method for determining nuclear radius. So I have already answered this question in another video. I have given the link in the description box. I have written question number 2b, then the link is provided there. Okay, so now let's answer this question 2b, or explain the term nuclear angular momentum. So let me explain this. So here is the answer. Nuclear angular momentum, total angular momentum of nucleus is given by this equation here. This represents the sum of all the orbital angular momentum, and this represents the sum of all spin angular momentum, right? And L is integral multiple of h by 2 pi, where s is either half integral or integral multiple of h by 2 pi, and and magnitude of this I is given by this expression. And here for even type, even A means A is the mass number, even A type. So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. When it can be even, when both Z and N are odd, or if both of them Z and N are even, then this A will be even, right? Even plus even is even, and odd plus odd is also even, right? And for even type, these are the values of I. And for odd type, odd A type, when A will be odd, either if Z is odd and if Z is odd, N is even, then A will be odd. Similarly, if Z is even and N is odd, then also this will be odd type, right? So then value of this I will be this. These are the values. Okay, so next part of this question, there is one more part of in this question, nuclear quadrupole moment. So here is the answer. So this is the nuclear quadrupole moment. The electric quadrupole moment is given by this. But you see, for uniformly charged ellipsoid revolution defined by this equation, so hope you know this meaning of A and B here from the diagram. This is A, this is B, right? given by this equation. This is the expression for quadrupole moment. And for uniformly charged ellipsoid means it may be elliptical, it may be spherical, okay, it may be of this form. Okay, this is oblate, this is porlet, this is just spherical. Okay, this is spherical. So here you see, in this case, so in this case A is equal to B. So if A is equal to B, then value of Q will be 0. Here you see B greater than A. If B is greater than A, from this expression it is clearly Q must be positive, right? And for this case, here B is less than A, then Q is negative, right? So I have written those things here. Okay, so hope you have understood. Please pause the video, note those things. Okay, either you can note or you can take the screenshot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Remaining questions will be solved in the next video. Bye bye.